With any substation, everything's bespoke. There's no such thing as a standard bus bar length, a standard design. So whilst it might seem like a simple bar, there's been a lot of engineering that's gone into that to make sure it can carry the right loads. Where anything's welded onto it, those palms and flags are right to the millimetre, so it's a highly engineered solution. PLP is a manufacturer and distributor of transmission, distribution and substation products. If you look up a power pole, whether it's around a suburban street or a big transmission tower, all the bits and pieces that are basically attaching the conductor to the line or to an insulator, that'll be a PLP product. This is the PEC project, so Project Energy Connect, and it runs all the way from South Australia into New South Wales. It's a 900-kilometre line to connect South Australia, New South Wales and Victoria so they can share energy between the three states.
This is the largest substation in the Southern Hemisphere. We've been on this project for approximately 4 years. Before we even break any ground or before we start doing any works, we approach PLP to get their input to try and assist us.
The more that we can help with the design and maximise bus bar length, the less welds that are required on site, so it saves time and effort, but also just ensures that, you know, when you piece all this stuff together, it all fits, it all connects. There are lengths on this sub that are running in excess of 200 metres. The site in total is about 800 metres wide. We've delivered around 350 individual lengths of bus bars, which have all been manufactured in our local facility in Western Sydney and made with Capral aluminium, helping connect all the critical equipment within the sub, moving it around the sub and back out to the network. In total, we will have manufactured and delivered around 5 kilometres of bus bar that's running around this substation.
PLP's provided us close to 50 tonnes worth of bus bars. And then on top of that, they provided us about another 100 tonnes worth of terminal connectors and interconnectors and dropper connectors. Without them, I couldn't connect two of these pieces of equipment together. They're a huge part of the success of this project.
When you're dealing with, you know, high voltage transmission fittings and projects like this, it's vitally important that it works first time every time. In all of our dealings with Capral over the many, many years, and the reason that we have wanted to partner with them on projects like this is the quality. PLP's been working with Capral for over 10 years. They're definitely our preferred supplier, particularly on major projects. The fact that they're local, they've really made a point of understanding our business, understanding what's important to our clients. We engage with Capral from our early tendering stage, particularly working through ensuring, you know, the right alloys, particularly for the mechanical strength required within a substation, but also working with guys like Mark to ensure that we could put together a very competitive and compelling bid for the project. The products that Capral provide us are customised for our requirements and what our customers need.
Each of our pieces of equipment needs to be specifically designed to certain tight specifications so that there's absolutely no chance of them being able to arc between each other, and there's not a chance of them being able to overheat.
Die sizes we need to use for these aluminium tubes, they are very specific, so we have had to work with Capral to create those dies. The ability for them to make long lengths helps with efficiency, whether that's reducing how often we have to join the bars and put in additional welds and joint sleeves, or whether that's for our clients in how often they have to put bus bar supports. Capral's ability to deliver those long lengths for us helped make the whole process considerably more efficient.
Every day we're over 200 people working on this project, just on this site alone, for the last 3 years. To get this project complete and to get it energised is really a great achievement for us.
It's definitely the largest substation that PLP Australia has been involved in, and it's great to be out here today and to see the bars up in the air and everything being connected. We know part of it's energised and that's all working, so that's fantastic. The other half should get turned on later this year, and we're very, very proud to be a part of the project.